Insulated Concrete Form System, ICF. This system uses blocks that act like LEGO bricks for building walls or foundations. They're light, weighing about 4 kilograms each, and can withstand temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. They're easy to use and require no heavy machinery for installation. May have expanded polystyrene with added graphite filler, costing approximately $103 per square meter. Nordje Acoustic Panels. These panels help combat rising noise levels, a threat to health. Made with veneer and recycled plastic felt, they're not just aesthetically pleasing but also functional. They cost around $86 for a standard 1.5x30x 240 centimeters panel, suitable for walls, ceilings, or furniture like bed headboards. Eco-facade Thermal Panels, offering easy insulation using styrofoam panels, available in various designs like marble, brick, wood, and stone. Lightweight and easy to install without mesh, plaster, or paint. A square meter of 50 millimeters thick panels cost $15.50. Acquabella Shower Tray. These low-profile shower trays come in various textures and colors, fitting current trends. The Nature Wave shower tray, for example, is at least 2.3 centimeters thick and compact, starting at a size of 170 centimeters, all made in Spain for style and comfort. Redi2Set Glass Block Windows. These glass block windows allow customization and easy installation without advanced construction skills. Ideal for kitchens and basements, they provide ample light and privacy without needing curtains, priced at around $100 for a 108-54 centimeters window. DARCO SKSP Coaxial Chimneys. These chimneys have a clever design with 2 channels for combustion and oxygen supply. Made from durable materials, they are resistant to high temperatures and are suitable for gas heating boilers. Available in various diameters for easy installation and maintenance. Photovoltaic Roof Tiles. These roof tiles come with built-in solar cells, providing an alternative energy source. They resemble conventional tiles and are efficient in capturing solar energy. Some versions even come with ventilation, ensuring resistance to heat. Earthmother dry floor heating panels. Used widely for quick installation of underfloor heating, especially in China and Europe. These panels come in various options, such as the silver version or the Sen 130, offering flexibility, durability, and effective temperature control to 45 degrees Celsius.